Okay, I'm gonna delete this out. I'm gonna rebuild this part. I'm gonna show you some things that you might do intuitively and then how to work around them. So I've got this renamed already. We're in a sketch workbench, and I'm gonna go to rectangle, and I'm just gonna create a slot or a plate. That should be long enough. And I'm gonna create a hole, and I'm gonna create a elongated slot from here to here. And I'm going to use this cool feature here called tritangent and pick these three edges. Then I have to use this quick trim command and quick trim this out. And then because that slot's there, I have to quick trim all this, quick trim this, and quick trim this one. Stop quick trimming and then just grab this line and just delete the entire line. And this constraint here is not the right constraint. For some reason when you do a slot, it creates the constraint you're not supposed to use. I need a radius, not a distance from center. Now that the part's highlighted, you're going to go to auto constrain, highlight this whole profile, reference this line and this line, stack dimension it, say OK. Go to analysis, got it closed profiles, but it's not fully constrained yet. It's under constrained because I'm missing, I got to turn this off. I'm missing my datum features here and here. Go to the dialog box and set those. The problem is, didn't do it right. This dimension is no good. So I've got to recreate that constraint because I need to define the length of this slot, which hopefully will let me take that center line. I'll just leave it chain dimensioned up here where it's at. Also, I'm supposed to put on a radius for this slot. It's over constrained because this 0.25 rate diameter is holding these tangent, and really I would want to keep that separate if I wanted to have separate diameters. So you have to go back and delete all these tangents here. I got to try and figure out which one they are, so I got to go to constraint. Oh, where are you, tangencies? I'm not even sure which one is. It's not those. Ideally, I'd be able to click on this, right click, and do center of tree, and it finds it. I can right click and hit delete. Right click on this one. No, missed it. They're hard to get. Right click on that, center on the tree, and it finds it, and then I can right click and delete that. And that's how this part should look when it's all said and done. I'm going to try and show you a much easier technique in my next video. This was a way that people get discouraged and say, oh, this auto constraints is a disaster. I'm going to show you how to really manipulate this.